Hey guys, I'm Karthik and you're watching Meetabi. Let's start the video. As I told you before, my name is Karthik and you're watching Meetabi. So today I'm going to show you a detailed tutorial on how to create a YouTube channel and be a successful YouTuber just for beginners. So this video is divided into three major parts. So the first part is how to create a Gmail account just for the YouTube channel. Second will be how to create your own YouTube channel, and third will be some basic information about the YouTube channel, how it works and the policies of it, monetization, etc, etc. So let's start with part 1. As we enter the part 1 of our video, that is nothing but the creation of the Gmail account for the YouTube channel. I recommend everyone to create it because it's the personal Gmail just for your channel, because you will be receiving the subscription notes or the subscription updates or the monetization updates, anything you will receive into this new Gmail account. So be ready, I will be getting my phone and I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
So hey guys, again, so I'm here with my phone and let's start the process of creation of the Gmail account just for the YouTube. So first you need to go into the Gmail account just like that. So here you can see a small circle, all right, on the top right hand corner. So click on it. Now you can see my multiple Gmail accounts. All right, what you need to do is to click on add another account if you have an existing Gmail account already. So now here you can see many options. You can set up email. So you have Google, Outlook, Yahoo, Exchange and other. So I recommend you to go with the Google, and I will go with the Google also. So verifying it. Wait a second. There you go, I verified. So if you are new to the app and you just install it, you'll get a screen like this, right? First you need to click on create account for myself. Right, as you can see here, it is asking my first name and the last name, so I will click on it as hello guys. Right, so here is my name. So after, you need to enter your name, not the hello guys, because it's just for example. Next you need to click on the date of birth, so 22. Right, click on your date of birth. I'm clicking anything. Sorry 1990. Gender, you need to click your gender already, gender. Alright, after you kept your gender, the Gmail or the email will ask you to pick your Gmail address or to create your own. So I'll create my own. So you need to keep it simple and rememberable Gmail. So I'll create hello. Alright, so don't panic that you have got the username mistaken. You can try another username like hello ABHI. Yes or that. So again, it is telling that it's created, or you can just choose from. So here, as you can see, I have picked one of the recommended Gmails. So let's click on next. So now you have to put your password. You can create your own password. It need to be secured. All right, don't you worry, it need to be secured. So yeah, so don't let anyone see it. Sorry guys. Anything? That man. So you need to confirm the password. So the creation is in the process. All right, don't you get panic. Here you can see my new Gmail. So as you can see, my Gmail account has been created. So as we completed the part 1 of our video, let's jump into the part 2, which is even easier than the creation of the Gmail. So let's start. So as we completed the part 1, which is very easy and fast, but the part 2 is even faster and easier, which is nothing but the creation of the YouTube channel. So again, I will be right back in just seconds, so please wait.
A few moments later.
So we are back in the phone again, right? So let's start the second part, which is nothing but the creation of the YouTube channel. So first you need to go into the YouTube app. Alright, just like that. Now you need to click on again the small circle above the right hand side. So as you can see, you need to click on the down arrow and you need to select the new latest Gmail account that you have just created. So here it is. Hello guys. So click on the circle again and go to your channel. So you can set your channel name. So I will set my channel name as Spectrum. How's that? All right. So a very important thing before setting up your channel name is you need to search that if there's any channel name named Spectrum. So I will search and I will tell you. Wait. So wait. Spectrum. So Spectrum, but you will get the videos, but don't click on Spectrum. All right, you need to click on channel. All right, just like that. So you can see there's a Spectrum channel and there are multiple of them, so 3 Spectrum channels. So we need to cancel that name and we need a unique name because everyone need to recognize us. So we'll keep the hello guys because I think it's unique. So let's create the channel. So as you can see down there, the channel created. So now here your channel is created. That's it guys. So you need to start keeping the video, you need to change the logo, you need to change the banner. So click on the settings and here you can see the logo and the banner. You can change them afterwards. You can add a description and you can do everything with the channel. So let me show you my channel. Alright, so here is how you will look, how it will look when you create it. So here I uploaded 4 videos. So I have 24 subscribers and I have my own logo which is bronze made, and I have my own banner I have created on my own. If you want a particular video on how to create a logo and a banner, please subscribe to my channel and please click on the like button and share the video. Please, it will be supportive to me, and I will make more videos about this, like how to create a the logo, the banner, and how to upload the videos, and on how to upload the videos. I have to upload the video. Sorry, my webcam has been gone, but don't you worry, I'm going to tell you by voice. And here you can see my videos, only 4, but I'm getting huge support from you guys. Thank you. And those are Telugu videos, so don't you get worried. So here they are. So if you want, you can watch the other videos which is in the language of Telugu, and you can upload the videos from here by clicking on the video symbol. And yes, and I will even show you how to upload the video, how to edit the thumbnail. The thumbnail means this, as you can see the images on the video, like Kittu in a mat 1, what will happen when we enter the sun. So these are all the thumbnails. These need to be created to attract, they attract the viewers, and yes, it's very good to create. it will help you get more viewers. And yes, so that's it. Our new channel has been created. So wait, I'm going to show you. So here it is. So your new channel. If you want more videos like how to create a logo, how to create a banner, subscribe to my channel and comment down below which video you need next. I will read the comments and I'll make a video soon. So as we completed the part 1 and part 2 of a video, so next, if you want the part 3, you need to click on the subscribe button and I will make you a new video just for the part 3. That is nothing but the basic information about the YouTube, how the YouTube works, how do you get money from the YouTube, can we use YouTube. Alright, so if you want answer for all the questions, you need to subscribe, comment down below which video do you need next. Also, I'll make you any tutorial you want on the phone. Alright, don't you worry guys. So that's it guys. So that's it for the video. So if you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon beside it. See you guys in the next video.